Hey Spirit Squad, this is Pixie from Pixie Moons. Thank you for joining me once again. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Pixie. I make Reiki videos like this one, card readings, pick a card, videos about spirituality and magic. So if you're interested in any or all of those things, by all means, subscribe, join the Spirit Squad today, and remember to ring the bell so you get notified every time I upload. And I try to upload as regularly as I can for you guys. And if you are a returning member of the Spirit Squad, thank you so much for being here and welcome back. So today I decided I wanted to do a speaking video. I'm wearing long gloves, that's why it looks weird like this. Still hope it's relaxing. Sending Reiki energy on all planes and mattresses. The emotional, spiritual, psychological and philosophical, physical levels. For the highest, purest vibrational good of all, including Gaia. I changed it a little bit because I don't have my paper, so I can't read it off. Anyway, so I just set my intentions. Now I'm gonna do a quick orison to kind of unite us all in this experience. Strange hand movements are channeled hand movements, light language, whatever you want to call it. As long as it works, it works. So connected to Mother Gaia and Father Sky, all angels, archangels, fairies and spirit animals, as the masters, teachers and guides, ancestors, the universe and spirit itself. Asking you to please help us remember to enjoy the present moment. Help us remember our true nature. Help us remember our soul's purpose. Asking you to please help us ground and manifest exactly what we deserve in divine timing and for everyone's highest and greatest good. Asking you to please send us the energies of the seas, the forests, the mountains, the sun, the moon, the stars, so that we stay protected and anointed, healthy and strong, aligned with our emotions, intuition, and highest self, always and forever. And so it is. So it's early morning over here, and it's getting a bit noisy because everything is rising. The aim here is to send you some beautiful healing energy. So if you are ready to receive, please state either out loud or to yourself, I am open to receiving this Reiki energy and allowing it to go where it needs to go and do what it needs to do. Remember to rest if you need to, drink lots of water. Stay hydrated, my friend. ask though is, if you enjoy these videos, to like, share if you want to, and drop a comment, even if it's an emoji, just to help with the YouTube algorithm, to help get these videos out there. Guys, at the time of filming this, we are at 150 subscribers. You guys blow my mind. This community has grown so fast, and it's all thanks to you. And what I would like us to do as a community is grow even bigger, get new members, get new members of the Spirit Squad. You know how we roll. I'm gonna remove the gloves because it's hot. I would really like to reach as many people as possible. Because I'd like to help you guys and motivate you, and hopefully get something started in you, or just comfort you if you need to. And we're back. The lighting has completely changed. Like I said, it's early morning and the sun's rising, and so are people and animals, if you can hear. So I don't know how long this is going to be, but hopefully it will be just right. Sorry, the planes are going crazy this morning. I don't know. It's one of those days, I guess. But that's fine. I wanted to do a bit of a cord pulling. Now I have my candles, I just put the cords in the candle. For those of you who are wondering why I'm not wearing my glasses, that's because of the candle light. It makes strange shadows. It might be a little bit creepy. Besides, I can't see perfectly without my glasses. I've always worn glasses because I have a lazy eye and I have astigmatism, which is like when the depth and shape of things kind of look different. So it's a bit more difficult for us, I think, to assess how deep something is, or like how high a step is, like when you go up the steps. My eyes get tired if if I don't use my glasses and I read a lot or use the computer, the screens. But otherwise, I mean, I could probably go a whole day without wearing glasses. Because I see the same as you guys. I'm not blind. When I was younger, I had classmates who were like, take off your glasses, and then how many fingers do I have? Well, if you're lucky, 5. So yeah, like, nothing changes. The colours don't change. Oh my god, what is this thing? Is that Georgie? Georgie? Is that you? Hold on. Yes, Georgie. I was like, what is this thing? For those of you who don't know, Georgie is the name I give to geckos. We have quite a bit of geckos in Cambodia. And I have at least one, but every time I see one I call them Georgie. Georgie the gecko. And let me put some more cords over here. I'm wishing you nothing but the best, the greatest, miraculous, most miraculous health. Sending you nothing but the purest vibes. Up and down your body, your spine, your nervous system. Giving and receiving. It's me. Don't know if you can hear, but it's starting, the building works already. It's like 6:20. I'm gonna start, but I'm going to stop soon. But before, I kind of want to fluff, smooth your aura. Beautiful, beautiful. This pink light. Very light I'm sending you guys all my love. All my love. Well, you guys were great. Thank you so much. Thank you from the bottom of my heart to each and every one of you. This community has grown so fast. I know I've said it before, but I was going to say it again because it blows my mind. And it's still thanks to you. And let's keep growing. Let's keep adding more members to this beautiful community. And don't hesitate to interact in the comment section as well. Say hello to each other. I try to do premieres as well. I try to be there. So if you want to chit chat, but I really enjoy interacting with you guys, and I'm thinking for 200 members, I want to do something. So I don't know what exactly. If you guys have any suggestions, drop them in the comments as usual. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thank you so much. I want to take the time to thank Spirit for allowing us to have this session. The universal force of Reiki, of course. My Ascended Masters, teachers and guides for helping. I want to thank you for being here, for accepting this energy to work with you. Until I see you again, remember, you're protected, you're supported, and you're divinely guided.